Everyone, Daniel Harmon here from Growth Friday. I wanted to quickly walk everybody through our new client portal. Some of you may have received emails that refer to it, but I thought a video of walking through the features might be useful. So once you log in, you'll see on your left-hand side essentially all the main use cases and features that are available. You'll land on the dashboard, and that just has a summary of anything that may need your attention, as well as some to-do lists that might be useful when you first log in. A good example is if you want to invite a co-worker to access the portal, you can do so via the functionality that's displayed in front of you. Secondly, before we get into the left-hand side menu, on the top right-hand side you'll see an avatar of either yourself or your business. In there you can update any profile information. You can also upload the photo if you wanted to, as well as access the team invite via a different way. You can put funds into your account, etc. Moving back to the dashboard, there is this video that you're watching now will also be available inside your portal. We'll be adding that today. Underneath the welcome is just a quick link to be able to book a call with Sage or your account manager. Here you'll be able to, if you would like to talk about your performance of your campaign or need to get in touch, we've just added that as a quick way to get in touch with Sage. Underneath activity, we're introducing a ticket system essentially. You can still reach out to us via email, phone, text, etc. But if you can't get hold of us, this is a good way to make sure that your inquiry gets to the top of our inbox. You can simply just go to tickets and then use the new ticket and obviously explain how we can help. Everything from below tickets is all about your campaign. The campaign section is mostly information about your campaign, be it those that you will be familiar with the master sheet. So this is just your worksheet embedded into your portal now. It has, as always, an ongoing record of everything that we've been working on, as well as if you're an SEO client, your campaign keywords, off-campaign keywords, etc. Underneath that, you'll probably recognise this document. It's called Business Details. This is an updatable document that we use to create business citations for you. Please reach out to us if these details are incorrect, because we build citations based on these business details. Underneath that, again, if you're an SEO or social media client of ours, you will have a content calendar. Here you can view all the content that's previously published or scheduled. It defaults to the month view, but if you want a more granular view, you can go to week, and it gives you a little bit more information about what network it's getting posted to and the information relating to that. And finally, the files section on the left-hand side is just really a way to access some of these documents we just walked through and any other material you may find us. This is a Google Drive integration just into your client portal. Okay, the next section is performance. As it would suggest, this is all about the performance of your campaign or campaigns. You will recognise likely the layout. This is because this is the same reporting tool that is sending you your monthly updates. But at any time you can log in to your dashboard and explore the performance of your campaign. This is as you can appreciate, this is a dummy or a test account that we're walking through. But depending on what services we are working on your campaign for, you will see the list along the top menu here, and you can click through and get performance data. Up here you can also change the time and the date range, right? So like if you wanted to understand what the all-time performance is, or you wanted to understand what the last 60-day was, all these features now are all embedded within your client portal. Underneath performance is the performance of your citation building. As mentioned, the business details that we use here, they're used to build citations. Just a note, citations are becoming increasingly more important. They used to be very important and still are for local SEO, but as AI and LLMs like Chat, Perplexity, etc. become more widely used, it's known within the industry that your citations or the quality of your citations will be used as an indicator for those particular tools to start displaying your business. So this is where you can see the progress of your citations here. Last but not least, on the performance, if you're an SEO client of ours, we will be building backlinks for you. This is where you'll see a running list of the backlinks that are being built. And you can actually also, when you have backlinks built, you can click through and see where your business is being linked from. Last but not least, we have another section called billing, right? And as it will suggest, it is just really a great way for you to be able to look at your current invoices. You just click it on there. Also, what subscriptions you have with us. And if you need to update your payment details, you can do so also, again, from within the portal. The very last section, we are adding to this actually on a weekly basis. This is just a way for us to be able to display more value to you guys in the sense of if there are other services that you may need, this is a good place to kind of like, jump in and take a look. Currently we have user experience services that are there. We are heavily investing in AI. We will soon have the ability to be able to create custom AI agents for those clients that are interested. You'll see an intro here, but of course you can always raise a ticket or just get hold of us in the normal way. So I hope that overview was useful. I will be sending this email out to you later today, so when you have a chance, please take a look. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to myself or Sage. Take care.